Welcome to SKYE channel. Today we're going to go and explore Ibis Paint X. It is an application, a drawing app that can be downloaded on any iPhone or iPad. It is a popular and versatile drawing app that uses over 2,500 materials. Uses 800 fonts, which provides 369 different brushes options and 66 filters. And many other drawing processes as well, like rulers and symmetrical rulers as well. So it is a great app to use, and I'm going to go ahead and explain a little bit how can it be used just as a simple 1-2 step. And we're going to go ahead and go into it and see what other options it has. You can go and explore a little bit for, illustrations or some of the, images that people have created out there, just to see what you can make and what you can create as a creative mind person out there. And the first thing that we can actually do is select what is going to be our size, the amount of our project. You can pick from different sizes, shapes, just to create and select your quality option for your drawing. And let's go ahead and get started. So just go into your new stencil, and you can actually select from the tool on the left bottom corner. You have the drawing, you have the paint bucket, and all those beautiful different options to select from. And then from that point on, you can always go down and select your colors. Whatever color you want to use for your lines, you can save them and go back on there. Select the thickness of your brush stroke. There are some that are actually locked that you can unlock for free, but just, watching their videos and unlocking those. But if you are not interested, you can just continue to use their free options on the list. Okay, you can select a color as well and just draw and start drawing from any point. That's a freestyle. You can also go to the shapes, the stencils, the rulers that will allow you to help you draw perfect circles or perfect squares or perfect oval shapes, any size, outside the oval, inside the oval, with any sort of stroke options you decide. Now, by drawing some of the circles, showing you just simply tap your fingertip and drag it down to the size of the ideal circle you would like to draw. You can do it over and over and over and over. You can keep drawing. You can select different shapes, keep piling them up if that's the kind of art you're looking into creating, or just simply for this tutorial purposes, you can delete them, go back. You can select a different color and add a trim to your circles or shapes that you are drawing, and get a more character on them, and keep changing the colors as you go. You can keep drawing your circles, or simply, if you decide to keep, doing your art and piling up on maybe a different shape. Like, let's go ahead and pick out the square. You can do rectangular shapes, lines with it. Just keep going, piling up to create your beautiful art as desired. And another interesting tool, it is the radial option, which all those blue lines are guides to your drawing. So as you drag your finger, try to draw something, it will only be captured and picked up by the blue lines, which will leave sort of like a dotted trail around, and it's a beautiful way to create beautiful designs in art, or just get really creative with it. Another tool I love to use, it is the oval shape. You can create eyes with it. Any kind of shape will help you create perfection on your shapes. and get help that way, so that you're not always drawing in freestyle mode and you get those perfect lines around the different shapes. You can also rely on your layers. You can select and deselect your layers to work on a different layer. Deselecting by, just going on the lower right hand side corner just to hide them temporarily while you work on a second layer, so that you can combine and overlap them together. So that is a great feature that will help you create multiple different dimensions to your drawings. Now that I added the original layout, I can go back and select on the top right hand side corner some of the effect or some of the stencils that you can add to create beautiful designs like bubbles, stars, hearts, and beautify your drawings. You can enlarge it by simply pinching from in out with your index and thumb fingers, and also you can go under the option or sort of deforming the original shape as you like. Many different options that you can scroll down and find beautiful stamps that you can use, skulls, pink, hearts, confetti. I'm going to go ahead and pick the hearts, and then I'm going to go ahead and enlarge it. I can enlarge it to make it bigger, or I can lock out the repetition as well, move in position, make them bigger, zoom in and zoom out to make them smaller. However, so that it'll help you beautify your art pieces for a more successful final product. And once you think you're done with the beautiful design and drawings, you can go ahead and save them down to your phone or iPad, whichever is that you're using, and it'll be saved into your photos automatically as a PNG transparent or PNG image. And next, I'm going to go ahead and show you the fast forward mode on the art that I was able to create with all these beautiful and different tools. Thank you for watching. Bye.